Welcome to episode 2 of the Python 0 to Hero series on EasyPY. In this lesson, we're going to explore one of the most fundamental data types in Python, strings. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in working with textual data in your programs. Section 1, Creating Strings. In Python, strings are sequences of characters. We can create them using single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes for multi-line text. Let's print them to see the results. Section 2, Indexing. Strings are indexed starting from 0. Indexing allows us to access a specific character by its position. Negative indexes count from the end. For example, index 0 gives us the first character, while index -1 gives us the last character. Section 3, Slicing. We can slice strings to extract a range of characters. The syntax is start, end, where start is included and end is excluded. If we leave start empty, Python starts from the beginning. If we leave end empty, it goes all the way to the last character. Section 4, Concatenation and Repetition. We can join strings together using the plus sign and repeat them using the multiplication operator. This is useful for building larger strings from smaller pieces or repeating patterns. Section 5, String Methods. Python comes with powerful built-in string methods. Upper changes all letters to uppercase, lower changes all to lowercase, strip removes extra spaces at the start and end, and replace lets us substitute one part of the text with another. Section 6, String Formatting. Formatting strings allows us to insert variables directly into text. Using f-strings, we can write something like FIM, age, years old, and Python will replace the placeholder with the actual value. Section 7, Checking Substrings. We can check if a word exists in a string using the keyword in, and verify it doesn't exist using not in. This is useful for text searches and validation. Strings are everywhere in programming, from user input to file processing. Mastering them now will make your journey with Python much easier. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future lessons. See you in the next one.